You ever find yourself running out of time during the workday? You feel like you have to do all these little things that aren't going to help you achieve your priorities or your goals that you have set for that day? At work or at school or as an entrepreneur, your time is money. Your time is incredibly valuable because you can only accomplish so much in a given day. Today I'm going to tell you why Excel is going to help you with your business or with your job. So I'm going to talk about 3 main ways that Excel is going to help you. Number 1 is that Excel is great at recording data. So as an entrepreneur or at your job or even at school, data is incredibly important. Ideally, if it was easy enough, you'd want to record literally everything, because the more data that you have, the better inferences you can make on a business decision that are going to help lead to improvements down the line. So knowing how to use Excel and recording data is going to help you a lot. Because if you're not recording something, it could be important and that could be holding back your business or holding you back from completing more at your job or achieving more at school. So being able to record data is incredibly important, and Excel allows you to record data in an easy way that you're able to analyze it effectively. But recording data is incredibly time consuming. You can get lost in recording too much data that doesn't really matter, or inaccurate data, and understanding how to use Excel is going to help you speed up that process to record data faster and more effectively. The second reason why Excel is going to help you is because there are powerful analytics involved with Excel. So once all that data is recorded, being able to understand and interpret that data is incredibly important to help make improvements and better your work. Make yourself more efficient, more productive, achieve more, blah, blah, blah. Overall, being able to analyze data is incredibly important, and Excel allows you to do that through things like pivot tables, charts, special formulas that help make connections and look up values, creating dashboards that are going to give you all the information you need simply. So let me share an example about how important it is to record and be able to analyze data, right? So for example, I have a previous video where I started a vending machine business, right? A little side hustle. I had a snack machine and a drink machine, and it was an all cash business. So it would have been really easy just to take the cash from the machine, stock the machine, and not realize how much I'm spending on product or how much revenue I'm taking in from the machine. I recorded everything in Excel, how much I spent on product to stock the machines, how much time it took me to stock the machines, and how much money I collected from each machine. It helped me be able to analyze and understand how the business was running, areas that I needed to improve on, and things that I just generally needed to change. So long story short, I ended up selling those vending machines, but if I wouldn't have recorded or analyzed any of the data that I had kept, I probably would have held on to it for a lot longer and would have been losing money, right? So if you want to see the full video, the full explanation, and the full numbers, I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. Go ahead and check that out. That brings us to the third and most important reason why Excel will help you in your life. If you understand Excel, know how to use it, you're going to be able to do things a lot faster than everyone else. All those little time-consuming things that you have to do in order to run a business, or things that you have to do at work or at school, are able to be automated or sped up in Excel in order for you to speed up that process. Now, for example, when I worked for Cargill as a supply chain associate, I had to do a lot of things in Excel, right? And one of those things is that I had to download a report from one of our sites, and I had to format it, remove columns, add columns, do all this formatting to it. Then I took that formatted file and I had to plug it into another file that gave me the results that I needed. And I was able to create a formatting macro within Excel that essentially did all of that for me, so I didn't have to manually add, delete, format all of these different things in the Excel file in order to get it ready to get the results I needed. And that probably saved me around an hour every single day, because we got a lot of these reports. But since I was able to understand Excel and use it effectively, I was able to speed up or automate that process in my workflow, allowing me to achieve more in a less amount of time. So I can definitely testify to you that Excel is going to help you automate and speed up things that are generally going to take a lot longer. And so honestly, understanding and knowing Excel has completely changed my perspective on workflow. It has helped me speed things up so much and helped me save so much time on so many things. So moral of the story, learn how to use Excel because this is going to save you a lot of time no matter where you're at. If you're in sales, if you're in marketing, if you're starting your own business, being able to record, analyze, and automate data is always essential in helping you achieve more in less amount of time. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it so much. Please subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.